Super easy and delicious Shakshouka.
Verde style.
Into a wide, heavy bottom saucepan, take your favorite tomatillo salsa or homemade specialty. Pour about 2 cups into your hot pan. It doesn't need to be ripping hot like mine. Once at a simmer, take 5 to 6 whole eggs, crack, drop them into your pan in a circular motion, leaving plenty of space for us to go through with the spatula and loosen the edges. Scoop tomatillo salsa around the egg whites to ensure even cooking through the whole batch. Cover and let simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. But in the meantime, take a little break and spend time with the pups. What? Once the eggs are at your desired doneness, remove your Shakshouka from the heat and bask in all of the glory. Garnish with some less sad and overripe looking avocado, generous fistfuls of cotija cheese, vibrant fresh picked cilantro leaves. You can chop them and remove the stems if you choose, but who cares, it's gonna be delicious. Juicy pickled red onion, the heapiest heap of sour cream you've ever heaped in your entire life. Trust me, a lot goes a long way. And for the final finishing touch, some Espelette pepper, which is actually of French origin but packs a beautiful fragrance and nice spice. This is our little secret. Finish with a generous amount of Espelette pepper and enjoy.